Big breaking news coming in this morning. The NIA is now continuing its raids over terror funding. We understand that multiple raids are currently underway in both Kashmir as well as in Delhi. The NIA teams have raided 9 locations. Those are 7 based in Srinagar and 2 locations in Delhi. The NIA, we understand, has also raided the office of Falah-e-Aam Trust, which is in Nogam in Srinagar. Remember, yesterday multiple locations were raided in continuance of the investigation into terror funding. The NIA now raiding several locations in both Kashmir as well as in Delhi. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us with more details on this. Kamaljeet, what's the latest you're picking up on this latest round of raids by the NIA?
So this is day 2 where NGOs are under scanner, and in regards to that, raids are being carried out in multiple locations. We've been told there are 9 locations, 7 in Srinagar and 2 in Delhi. Remember, it's the NGOs which are under the scanner. We've also been told that they were getting money from India and abroad, and from countries like Pakistan, from Europe, and even faraway islands like East Timor as well as Fiji Islands. They were collecting the money in the name of Kashmir. That money was being used for secessionist activities. This was to have disaffection towards the government. This is the charge that the NIA is now making. But remember, these are allegations. They have to be substantiated. We believe that from yesterday's raids itself, a lot of documents were recovered, mobile phone, laptop. Now they will be sent to forensic lab. However, remember, there was a raid which was carried out in Bengaluru as well. So documents, phones, laptops being recovered, and they will be examined by the forensic labs. More details will be will really tumble out. Remember, no arrests have been made as of now, but clearly they're saying the modus operandi was the same as the urban Naxals, to have a sort of ideology which was spread in small villages, towns and cities, and trying to have disaffection towards the government of India.
So raids currently on Srinagar as well as in Delhi. We'll be tracking the latest on this. Kamaljeet, for the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.